If I told you a few years ago that you could carry around a 3D cinema screen in your pocket, then of course you wouldn't believe me. But the future is now here, and we've got the Rokid Max AR glasses, and they do exactly that. With an impressive 120Hz 360-inch screen, built-in audio and 3D support, the Rokid Max is basically a portable cinema screen that you can take with you anywhere, anytime, and today we're taking a look. So full disclosure before we get started, the video is sponsored by Rokid, and they've sent me the Rokid Max AR glasses and the Rokid Station to showcase to you guys. So the Rokid Max is actually Rokid's second AR glasses, and this time we've not only got improved specs, but combined it with the latest Rokid Station, which is the world's first Google-certified Android TV device designed for AR glasses. This is part of the Rokid AR Joy Pack, and this is basically an Android TV system, and it adds cinema and media content into your pocket. So this is the glasses, and you can see they're slightly bigger than a normal set of sunglasses, which is of course expected, but they're lightweight, coming in at 75 grams, and they're comfortable to wear even for extended periods of use. Now the control system is also very easy. We've just got a brightness button, a volume rocker, and then two dials for myopia correction that go from 0 to -6 diopters. Now I've actually got an astigmatism, and this can't be fixed with the myopia correction, but I did find that it certainly did help for me. When I don't have the contact lenses in, I can use the dials to improve my vision. Now when it comes to the display, we get two 120Hz 1080p displays with a perceived brightness of 600 nits and a 50-degree field of view, and I have to say the viewing experience is incredible. We've got nice vibrant colors, and it's just a pleasure to watch. You've also got the choice of being able to see your surroundings, or you can use the light shield to completely block out all of the light, and if you're out in public, I find that the light shield makes them look a lot more like normal sunglasses. If you like to see your surroundings, then it's great to use it without the light shield, but when it comes to things like watching movies, I always use the light shield because colors are always nice and vibrant, but if you've got dark scenes, then the black is a bit more see-through. When it comes to connecting your Rokid Max to a device, it couldn't be simpler. We've got a USB port at the end of the earpiece, and you use the provided cable to connect to your phone or any other device. When it comes to the phone, as long as the phone supports a DisplayPort over USB-C, then it's going to work. And if it doesn't, you can also use a wireless adapter to wirelessly project to the Rokid Max. For anyone who recently purchased the new iPhone 15 Pro models, you can connect directly to the iPhone via USB-C, and it also allows you to watch your spatial videos, so it's a great addition to any iPhone 15 Pro, and it's much cheaper than the Apple Vision Pro. You can also use adapters like HDMI to USB-C, and this is going to allow you to hook up any devices including your games consoles like Xbox, PlayStation or Switch. Now one of my favorite things about the Rokid Max is also that because it's wired, the glasses don't need to be charged themselves, and they draw power directly from the device that you're connected to, meaning there's one less thing to worry about. When you plug it into your phone, you're going to get a direct screen mirroring that also follows the phone's orientation. What I really like about the Rokid Max is that it doesn't completely obstruct my vision. To navigate my phone, I don't have to take the glasses off, and I can actually just look down under them to see my phone and navigate to the next video or film. And I'm actually going to be going on a flight soon where I'm restricted to hand luggage only, and normally I'd be taking my laptop to watch movies on the plane, but now I can just take the Rokid Max glasses, which are going to take up a lot less space. I think I'm also going to be pairing them with my noise cancelling earbuds, and this means that there's no distraction in visions or sound. As I said earlier, the highlight for me is the Rokid Station, and this comes with the Rokid AR Joy Pack, and it brings a portable media center with a 360-inch screen wherever you go. With the Rokid Station, we get the station itself, a micro HDMI to USB-C to connect the station to the glasses, and then a USB charging cable and an Android TV remote. Now it's great to have a remote, but to be honest, it's not really even needed. The station itself has all of the buttons you need built in, and it makes it really easy to navigate the Android TV operating system while you're wearing the glasses. The Rokid Station has a 5000 mAh battery, and this provides 5 hours of usage, and thanks to the separate USB-C charging port, you can extend that with a power bank if needed. Now when it comes to the Android TV, you've got a fully Google-certified Android system with 20GB of usable space available, so plenty of space to be installing apps for games or streaming media. It comes with Android TV OS 12, Widevine Level 1, so full quality Disney Plus or Prime TV. I'm sure most of you have used Android TV OS, but it's basically an Android OS for TVs that's more appropriate to navigate. You can install all of your favorite apps like YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+, and the Rokid Station's built-in controls are all you need to navigate, but you can also connect a Bluetooth gamepad or a keyboard for those of you that want to do some productivity or stream some games. Now, when watching content or playing games, I also found the built-in speakers to be good. You can hear well enough and you'll also be able to hear your surroundings, and I'd say it's great for most of the time, but if you are in a very busy environment such as traveling, then headphones are going to be a lot more beneficial. Basically, I found using them at home I would use the built-in speakers, but when taking them out I'd pretty much always use Bluetooth earbuds. When it comes to the quality, I'm really impressed with the video quality of the Rokid Max. We've got nice vibrant colors along with great detail in the highlights and the shadows. I found whatever content I play, whether it be TV, YouTube, movies, or even a bit of gaming, it's just a pleasurable experience overall. As I touched on earlier, it's up to you whether you use the included light shield, and I found for brighter things like TV shows or watching YouTube, I would quite often not use the light shield, but for movies I always use it. Now, we've got support for watching 3D movies as well, and I like how simple the 3D mode is to activate. All you've got to do is press and hold the brightness button and it's going to switch to 3D mode, and this works very well. Now, when it comes to use cases, I'd say that there's really multiple use for these AR glasses, and it basically just saves you taking a display with you wherever you go. You could use it for a larger display when working on the laptop, use it for gaming if you're somewhere that doesn't have a TV or it's got a small TV, and of course when you're traveling you get the benefit of a 360-inch screen in your pocket. You can turn the volume up and down with the volume rocker on the right earpiece, and a brightness button toggles between 6 levels of brightness, so if you're watching media to wind down, then you can adjust it accordingly. Now, unfortunately, the only problem with this type of technology is I can't really show you exactly what it's going to look like, but the best way I can describe it is a big display that takes up most of your vision, and then of course the surroundings are completely black if you've got the light shield on, and you can actually see your surroundings if you've got it off. When it comes to gaming, I'd say it's not only a great way to play a game on the go, but it's actually a more immersive way to game at home. The whole game takes up your whole vision, and you can still see everything without having to look around, and there's no distractions. The 120Hz display is also great for those of you planning on playing more fast-paced games, something like Rocket League. Now, in the packaging, we've got the glasses themselves in a nice protective carry case to make sure you don't damage them when traveling. Next, we've got the light shield for those of you that don't want any distractions, followed by the USB cable to connect to your devices. We've also got an additional nose piece, a dust cloth, and the instruction manual. With the Rokid Station, we've got the station itself, which, as I said, has all the navigation buttons you need built in. We've also got a power button, a volume rocker, and then a micro HDMI port for video output, and then a USB-C port for charging. It comes with a micro HDMI to USB-C cable to connect to the glasses, a USB-C cable for charging, a user manual, as well as a separate Android TV remote for those of you that do want to use it. Now, when it comes to pricing, the Rokid Max AR glasses are $399. If you want them with the wireless adapter, then it's $478, and if you want the Rokid AR Joy Pack that comes with the Rokid Station, it's $499. Now, overall, I'd say it's a good price, and the Rokid AR Joy Pack has surpassed my expectations for both media and gaming. They're far cheaper than buying a 360-inch TV, and they're also a much cheaper alternative for those of you that want to enjoy spatial video on the iPhone 15 Pros. Now, of course, I've placed the links down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check them out, and you can also get $20 off using my coupon code. Now, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice, and I'll see you guys in the next one.